Okay, good morning students. The last class I have given a problem to solve you. It is x1 solved by Gauss elimination method. Solved by Gauss elimination method. Okay, so we can solve it. The question is x1 minus x2 minus x3 is equal to 1. Then 2x1 minus 3x2 plus x3 is equal to 1, and 3x1 plus x2 plus x2 minus x3 is equal to 2. This is the question given to you. Some of the students बहुत कम पिला हमरो आंसर करके देखले. Now I am solving it. Okay, so first of all, as you know, we have to find the augmented matrix. Now the augmented matrix is 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 3 1 1 3 1 minus 1 2. So what you have to make? You have to make it 0. तीनटा को हमको 0 करियर अछि, so that हमें एथि 0 बदला परे हमें आरो आंसर पाइ जेबो. ओके, so एटी 1 अछि, एटी 2 अछि. So remember, first row हमें किसी चेंज करिया, केवल सेकंड रो थर्ड रो चेंज करिया. So first of all एटी 2 अछि, 2 टा को आपको 0 करिया. So r2 minus 2 r1 for r2 and r3 minus 3 r1 for r3. Okay, so 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 एटा किसी चेंज हलानी. हमरो बाकी भी का चेंज हो उता के रफ काम करू जे छी. 2 minus 3 1 1 आपको 2 गुणिबे 2 minus 2 2 फिर ओके, माइनस प्लस प्लस माइनस 2 2 वाले 0 minus 3 2 वाले minus 1 1 you are 3 plus 2 3 1 minus 2 minus 1. So what I am getting? 0 minus 1 3 minus 1. Similarly eta को 3 गुणी के फेड़ी. So 3 1 minus 1 2 अब 3 गुणी में 3 1 जो 3 minus 3 3 minus plus plus minus. So 0 4 plus 2 minus 1. So it becomes 0 4 2 minus 1. Okay, now eta को 0 करेंगे, right? So to make it a rough काम था. Okay, so to make it 0, so what I do, eta को 4 गुणी की आसे तो 8 कर देंगे. तो फर्स्ट रो सेकंड रो किछि चेंज होबनी. ठीक में एटा एज इट इज रखि देबे. 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 3 1 minus 1. तो एछि आपको कोन करबी? आपको 4 गुणी की, सो कोन लिखिबी? r3 plus 4 r2 for r3. again drop का मूवमेंट करूची 0 4 2 minus 1 आपको 4 गुणे 0 minus 4 12 minus 4 8 को 0 0 14 minus 5. so 0 0 14 minus 5. okay, so ହେଇଗଲା ଆମର upper triangular एटी हमर 0 हो गला therefore now by using back substitution remember by using back substitution हमें आपको solve कर परिबे so first of all back substitution रे पकेबा 0x1 0x2 14x3 is equal to minus 5 by back substitution. Okay, back substitution we have this one, so 14x3 is equal to minus 5, x3 is equal to minus 5 by 14. Now we are getting x3, then x3 the value that we go for the second one, 0x1 minus 1x2 plus 3x3 is equal to minus 1. So minus x2 3 into minus 5 by 14 is equal to minus 1 minus x2 is equal to minus 3 को बोले minus 1 plus 15 by 14 which is equal to minus 14 plus 15 by 14 that is 1 by 14. So x2 is equal to 1 by 14. Okay, finally you will have your x1. For x1 we will go for the first row. मैंने रिवाइज होगी क्वेश्चन का. For x1 what will you do? 1 x1 minus 1 x2 plus minus 1 x3 is equal to 1. We do not know the value. x2 जाके पकड़े तो बस 1 by 14 x3 जाके minus 5 by 14 is equal to 1. Okay, now we solve this one and we get x1. x1 is minus eta 14 मिले already minus अच्छी 1 minus minus plus 5 minus plus minus 5. Okay. So if you take minus, it will be 1. Then minus 1 plus into minus is equal to 1. So x1 minus 1 minus 4 by 14 is equal to 1. x1 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 14. It will be 4 by 14 मिले. हमारो आंसर क्या आसी हो इसी 14 minus 5 by 14 minus minus plus 5 by 14 4 by 14 14 1 by 14 14 by 4 by it becomes sorry it will be minus 1. Okay, x1 x2 x3 okay, what it will be 14 1 is 14 minus 4 10 by 14 5 by 7. Okay, so this is your final answer, that is x1 5 by 7 x2 1 by 14 and x3 is equal to -5/14. ओके सो इछि हमर आंसर इति दिस मच ओके okay now we go for the other one right now we have another question write down this one the questions from exercise okay so here you have exercise 1 point you have exercise 5 on the page number 248 okay so a exercise ru ame gote problem kariyo okay this is your answer okay now we go solve the system by Gauss elimination method एमती हमर क्वेश्चन आस्थिबो solve the system by Gauss elimination method okay the question will be x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 10 this is your first equation x plus 3y x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 7 question number 2 and 2x minus y plus z is equal to 5 okay so you have to solve this one by elimination method for this first of all you have to find the augmented matrix now first the augmented matrix is what coefficients of x y z 2 3 10 1 3 minus 2 7 2 minus 1 1 5 so this is your augmented matrix now we have to solve and make these three 0 this is called as upper triangular matrix तो ये upper triangular matrix का हमें 0 कर दो so that हमरा बाकी सब जाको बैक सब्स्टिट्यूशन पे आंसर आसे करो so easy अच्छी थी ये r1 minus r2 or r1 okay so what we do here if we interpret first row as it is right 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 7 minus 10 minus 3 मुझेंती सेंती एटा रखेली okay now eta to 8 room करिवे so what I do now r3 का r3 minus 2r1 or r3 so what I will get here first row as it is 1 2 3 10 second row as it is 0 1 minus 5 minus 3 and 80 2 0 minus 1 এটা 2 গুণাই দিলে 2 2 is 4 minus 1 minus 4 that becomes minus 5 1 eta 2 3 is 6 so 1 minus 6 that is minus 5 it is 5 eta 2 गुणा 20 5 minus 20 that is minus 15 okay ମୁଁ এটা রফ সাম টিকে कर दोছি देखो 2 minus 1 1 5 आपको 2 रे गुणिले 2 4 6 20 तापर माइनस करिवे r3 minus 2r1 0 minus 5 minus 5 minus 15, 0 minus 5 minus 5 minus 15. Okay, now इबे what I do, इबे कौन करिबी 5 गुणी की 8 को 0 करिबी, so r3 plus 5 into r2 for r3, so 1 2 3 10 0 1 minus 5 minus 3 0 0 आपको 5 गुणी minus 25 minus 25 minus 5 minus 30 आपको 5 गुणी भी minus 30, this becomes also minus 30. Okay, now by using direct substitution we can solve. First of all इधर हमें solve कर दो 0 x1 0 x2 30 x3 is equal to minus 30 minus, sorry, this is not x1 x2, this is x y z, y this is your z, minus 30z is equal to minus 30, z is equal to minus 30 by 1. Okay, z is equal to हमारा 1 आसला. वर्तमान z रो वैल्यू टा मु सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूशन करबी. नाउ we get क्वेश्चन टा अगेन लिविंग विथ इसकी लिखो, राइट डाउन दिस वन. ओके, now what we will do, we will go for the second equation. Second टा हमर छै कि 0x plus y minus 5z is equal to minus 3. So x का तो 0 निकला, minus 5, z is equal to 1 minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 plus 5, that is 2. So y is equal to 2. Okay, now we will go for x. x पे हमें इक्वेशन का नंबर. Okay, so what do we get? By taking that, you will get x 1x 2y 3z is equal to 10. x 2 into y, y to value पड़ेगा 3 into z, z to value पड़ेगा is equal to 10. x plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 10, and x is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay, therefore x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, z is equal to your 1. This is the final solution. Remember, एग्री सहज अच्छी, सहज इन द सेंस एटा हम लोग अपर ट्रायंगुलर करते एटा बेले बेले छोट छोट संख्या देथिबो, so that हमको टिके easy हेजिबो टू मेक 0. sometimes what will happen, हमको बड़ बड़ संख्या देथिबो, in that case हमको एटा टिके अधिक मल्टीप्लाई करियो पड़ियो, but we can do it. Okay, write down, लिख दियो. Okay, so now this is all about your Gauss elimination method. By using this method you can solve. तो एटा एग्जाम रे भी आसी पारे. एग्जाम रे बर्तन आसीबा पे मु तीनटा मेथड आइले कहि सकेनी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर Cramer's rule, second is your मैट्रिक्स इनवर्स मेथड जो थ्री की कोफैक्टर और एडजॉइंट बाहर करके कराबो, एंड थर्ड इज योर गॉस एलिमिनेशन मेथड. ओके, राइट डाउन दिस वन. ओके, नाउ I will give you a homework. Again, गोटे होमवर्क देबी, तमने ट्राई करो आको करियो. ओके, बाय गॉस एलिमिनेशन मेथड. ओके, in this exercise that is 5, there are number of problems. So say exercise bithru a gote problem mu douchi, solve the equations. That is 3x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 1, and 5x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4, then 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is your question. Solve the equation by Gauss elimination method. Okay, so this is your equation. These are the three equations: equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Okay, write down this one. Okay, now next is your Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, now in this method, what you have to do, you have to solve and find out the value of x, y, z by doing extra another 3 0, that is your both upper triangular and lower triangular दीटा देखो हमको 0 करिया को पड़ियो. ओके, Gauss-Jordan method. Now suppose you are supplied with equations. I am taking a third order equation. A11 x1, a12 x2, a13 x3, b1 a21 x1, a22 x2, a23 x3, b2 a31 x1, a32 x2, a33 x3, b3. So from here you have to find augmented matrix. एथिरु हमको augmented matrix गोटे बाहर करियो पड़े. So what is your augmented matrix? As you know, the augmented matrix is given by a11, a12, a13, b1, a21, a22, a23, b2, a31, a32, a33 is your b3. So this is your augmented matrix. In the earlier case, in the Gauss elimination method, what we are doing? We are doing only the upper triangular 0, so that हमें by back substitution रे तळ पटू गोटे 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 वैल्यू पकई देकी हमें ताको आनी दोथिले वैल्यू टा. Now in case of Gauss-Jordan method, first of all you have to make the upper triangular 0, then you go for the lower triangular, that is also 0, so that हमें एची पाई का डायरेक्ट वैल्यू, that means a theta 0 हो. a theta तो हमें Gauss मेथड रे 0 करथुले a theta एलिमेंट एडे a theta एलिमेंट भी 0 हो. So both upper triangle and lower triangle elements must be zero. ओके सो हमें एजा को जीरो करबा एज ए रिजल्ट एजा को सब चेंज हे जीवो एंड एटा को जदी आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स कर दो आइडेंटिटी और यूनिट मैट्रिक्स that is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, then you can have the direct value of x, okay, and x2 and x3 हमको ये डायरेक्ट वैल्यू टा आसे जीवो सो दैट हमको एठी बैक सब्स्टिट्यूशन करिया पई पड़िबो. Okay, so by this way you can solve. Now in the Gauss elimination method we are just making the upper triangular matrix. Okay, row operation in the Gauss-Jordan procedure transform the coefficient matrix into a diagonal identity matrix by eliminating all non-diagonal elements so that the solution can be directly obtained. I am writing all these things. Okay, have you written all these things? Okay, in this method moita liveli in this method what you have to do, transform the coefficient matrix into a diagonal identity matrix. As I told you, पहली diagonal identity matrix पहले diagonal का 1 by 1 बाकी सब एलिमेंट 0 by eliminating all non-diagonal elements, all non-diagonal elements, so that the solution is obtained directly. Okay, so एटा हमर कोएफिशिएंट हमर एठी एटा को हमें एटा छाडी दे एटा सब 0 कर देले एंड एटा को सब 1 कर देले इट विल बी 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 एंड 0 0 1 एंड एठी हमें द वैल्यूज व्हाटएवर इट मे बी c1 c2 C3 as a result पाइबा, so that will be our answer. x1 is equal to c1, x2 is equal to c2, and x3 is equal to. This is your Gauss-Jordan method. In this method, you do not require the back substitution or x रो, y रो, z रो value पकी थी हमको परिया पे दरकार नहीं, हमें directly कर दे परिया. Okay, so this is all about your Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, we will do some examples in the very next class. So remember, I have given one homework. You have to do that homework and send me the answer in the WhatsApp so that mu jani paribi je tumko properly buzila. If you have any doubt, again you can ask also the same WhatsApp number रे मते क्वेश्चन भी पचर करियो. ओके, सो यू कैन आस्क सो बाय फोन करके भी तुम माने बचत करेंगे. Okay, thank you. This is for today. We go the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.